Hi folks, this is DIY Germany. My name is Lars and I have a problem with this guy. Most of you will have a sander of some sorts. This here is a small 125mm 5-inch orbital sander by Bosch, and it works fine for me. Until it doesn't. Well, on closer inspection, you can see there's a little bit of something in the Velcro. Obviously, the Velcro doesn't hold onto the sanding discs anymore. So, what to do? These are meant to protect the Velcro on the original disc. And as you can see, it fits like a glove, but unfortunately this piece is going to go flying as well, which is why the keen eye might have noticed the screw holes on the pad are covered. Yep, this isn't the first time I'm doing this. So first off, I'm cutting open the Velcro where the screws are located, so I can remove the backing pad from the machine. Since I had glued a pad protector on the backing pad before, I simply take a knife to it and cut it off. And then I clean up the surface by giving it a quick rub on some rough 40 grit sandpaper, just so it is nice and flat and grippy. Okay, that'll do. Since the screw holes will be covered back up in the next step, I put the backing pad back on first. And then simply apply a good layer of CA glue. Just keep clear of the holes, you don't want any glue in there. And after the glue has cured, good as new. These protective pads are dirt cheap. Way cheaper than replacing the backing pad itself every time the hooks on the Velcro are done, which happens from time to time. You can hardly avoid that. The whole thing took me maybe 10 minutes. And in case this was new for you, you're welcome. Maybe you consider leaving a like and subscribe and tell me in the comments what you think of this. Until next time, be safe, be good, cheers.